Hello, the following poem is from my collection, Too Many Seeds. Too Many Seeds is my new poetry collection, which is now available for sale through Finishing Line Press. Please check it out. I encourage you to buy it. I write a lot about food and nourishment and all of the complicated glory it takes to bring food from the field to your plate. The following poem is called On Ayako, Iino's Amb Tomaquet. And Ayako is a dear chef friend of mine. I cooked side by side with her for many years. I think I wrote this poem about 2007 when I was working with her at Boulette's Larder in the Ferry Plaza building in San Francisco. And I was just amazed with the approach that she took to her cooking. I've always been impressed by that. She just communicates love through her cooking and through her dishes in such an amazing way. And she inspired me to write this poem. There knows, smell Ayako's meal. There is afternoon, late August. There is golden light that makes violet eggplants expand, sends sugar into gypsy peppers. There fog helps black plum tomatoes dig for water, coaxes them into pressurized drops of flavor. There is salt sea, sardines swimming, opulescent crisp skin, briny flesh held in hand, how it gives into her finger. There are kelp, plankton, and sunlight through water. There, her abandoned farm by the Sea of Japan, pickled squid, ume plums packed in salt, a snapshot of her ex-husband and his young new wife at the barn door. There, the year's first plum blossom, a raindrop slipped from petal. Haven't you dreamt you were in a plum orchard, bare branches set to burst white? Haven't you wondered about blossoming rose, bees humming, when leaves fall and curl in the dry season? There knows, smell the basil she pinched from the garden plot in Oakland. Smell her and her new husband working in the afternoon sun last March. Sweat log t-shirts, compost from the kitchen, orange peels resisting decay. There, the fennel bulb she taught you to slice thin so its fingers bend like a Buddha's hand. There knows, smell a tomato left to rot beside a desiccated vine, seeds meant to tumble in the soil, root next year. Here, Ayako peers into a vat, black with hot oil. She turns snapping squash blossoms with a slotted spoon. Here, mouth, peppers caramelized in olive oil. Here, mouth, tomatoes slow dried in a small oven. Here, mouth, sardines, still moist, barely set, pulled from thin bones. Thank you. Please check out Too Many Seeds. It's available now. Buy it while you can before it sells out.